So here you can see that this is a Linux terminal where I'll be having this Streamlit run new2.py and a browser window automatically opens. So this is a local machine. I'll be querying from the chatbot. You can see that I have clicked this chatbot and I click this browse file and I have selected this temp.pdf. Okay, and you can see that the relevant file has been uploaded successfully. Here what I am doing is I am embedding the PDF file, which is nothing but the conversion of that PDF file. You can see that that file has been embedded, and this is the PDF file which I'll be asking some queries on that. Now you can see that it is running on the local host. Okay, so here I'll be writing like why elections. Now it's running, it will do some work and it all depends. Now here you can see that it is running on the local host, that is on the local machine. Why election? And it has given a very beautiful answer without the help of ChatGPT.